Hi, welcome to tastepapthai.com and my name is Ma'am. We are going to make Som Tum Thai papaya salad. Use green papaya and start shaving. To make green papaya salad, the thing you must have is Lao style clay mortar and pestle. This size is perfect, it's big enough to hold and it will not spill out. And the ingredient: shaving, green papaya, Thai chili option, and tomato, small one is better, garlic, limes, peanut, panthers will do just fine, and fish sauce, palm sugar, only one chili, I don't like it spicy, and 1 cup of garlic. Adding chopped green papaya into mortar and few pieces of tomato cut in half, squeeze lime and 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, no sorry, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and same amount 2 tablespoons of palm sugar, and then here labor work, start pounding it. The last thing, put peanut and pounding more. You can see how easy it is to make. Less than 5 minutes. Enjoy!